Welcome to this Flipdish tutorial. Today we're going to look at the benefits and how to set up and send push notifications with promotions, discounts and advertisements to your customers. Please note these are only available if you have an Android or iOS app with Flipdish. Also, don't worry if you don't have an app yet. All you have to do is contact your success manager or email help@flipdish.com and we can help you get set up. Some costs may apply. Okay, so push notifications are a proven and highly effective digital marketing tool. Let's look at some of the benefits. Firstly, they have many advantages over email marketing, such as an average open rate of 90% versus only a 23% average for emails. With push notifications, your restaurant marketing is going to be seen by more of your customers. Secondly, as well as delivering higher open rates and click-through rates than email marketing, push notifications also improve app engagement and retention rates. Mobile apps using push notifications have a 26% higher app open rate and 92% higher retention rates. All of this makes it more likely that these customers will keep your app on their home screen and buy more from you. Push notifications work because people bring their mobiles everywhere. They can't be missed as they appear on the phone's lock screen. They are much shorter and snappier than emails, and they usually have a clear call to action. Okay, now let's look at how easy it is to set up a push notification to all your customers who've opted in to marketing. First of all, you need to log into the Flipdish portal by going to portal.flipdish.com. From here, select the marketing drop-down from the left-hand menu and then select push notifications. Now you'll be presented with all the options for your push notifications. Remember when typing that only the first 40 characters will be seen on the phone's lock screen, so make sure you make them count. Also, don't forget that you can add emojis to your notification by clicking the smiley face to the right of the text box. This is a great way to catch your customer's eye. If you wish to set your notifications to go out at a selected time rather than immediately, you can opt for this by toggling on the schedule push for later and then choosing a time you want to send it. This means you can set up all your push notifications for the month at one time. Below the setup box, you can also see the previously sent push notifications to help you keep track of the frequency and the content your customers have been receiving. You can also see the scheduled push notification we just set up. If you decide you want to edit or delete scheduled push notifications, you can do this by clicking on the 3 vertical dots on the right-hand side of the notification. And that's it. As you can see, it's very easy to use this very effective marketing tool. So to recap, here are some top tips for restaurant marketing push notifications. Keep your messages short and simple. Front load the most important information. Keep the message relevant, timely and topical, and include a clear call to action. I hope you found this video useful, and if you want to know more about push notifications or getting a Flipdish Android or iOS app, contact your success manager or email help@flipdish.com. Thanks for watching.